Common mistakes people make when cleaning their trucks. Do you have a truck that could use a good wash? Before you start scrubbing, people make some common mistakes when cleaning their trucks. Here are the top few to avoid. Not pre-washing the truck. This is an essential step in the cleaning process. If you don't do this, it's like trying to clean a dirty dish with only soap and water. You must first remove large chunks or pieces of dirt and grime to get the most out of your truck wash. Using household cleaners. Household products were not made for vehicle cleaning, so don't try to use them. The chemicals may damage your paint or cause other problems, so it's best to stick with a truck wash designed for cleaning vehicle. Not applying wax. Wax helps protect the paint and makes your truck look great. Waxing can help prevent scratches and dirt buildup while giving your vehicle a glossy finish. Forgetting about the wheels. Don't forget to clean and wax your truck's wheels too. Wheels trap dirt and grime, so you need to make sure you give them some extra attention when cleaning your vehicle. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to having a truck that looks great and is well protected. To learn about trucking services, check out our previous video.